Sorry, I think there was a problem with the mic. Right. So let's start our usual analysis for board, and let me share my screen with you. Okay. So basically, what happened today? Like, interesting, very interesting situation today, and we seen this level been broken, 1908 level, and yesterday market went up to 1905, and then to the upside retested this 1912, 19 around 1912 level, and then today did test 1912 level as well. And so this is a zone actually. So and these green lines, they are Asian zone. So what the market done? Broke this zone, went down all the way to the side, and then now break into the zone, and then went retested this zone as well to the top side. Interesting. So now we have this area of importance. This area, if for now, if the market goes to the upside, we may find rejection again. So around 1912 maximum, it can go up to 1915. Yeah, 1912 to 1915, that zone is important for rejections. However, if it breaks up to the upside, which is highly unlikely, we can expect to the 1918 level, and after 1918, 1920 level. And if this zone is respected, it's not broken, then hopefully we can see a good rejection from here to the downside. But anyway, let's see what we have to do, and let's see, and let's do go into 1 hour time frame. So what's happening there? As you can see, 1 hour 6 a.m. this zone, this resistance support level. Sorry, this was broken around 9 after 6 o'clock. So it's 7. It's completely broken, and then market went to the downside, 1905 level, and then tested this level here. Let me mark the line here. This level, tested this level here, and around news time, market went to the downside. Right. So the very good. All the news were positive, very interesting situation, and market gave us a very good trade from here all the way to the 1900 level. First market came 1901 level, 1901, and then 1900 level. Interesting. Now we had a good rejection from here after. It's 1900 level, and it's an even number as well, and so there's a level here as well. So market went to the upside, as you can see, and then good rejection, and then market trying to go to the upside. However, keep rejecting from here. Now what's going to happen next? So basically, we do level trading, and the levels are very important. That's, you can see in half an hour, this level is broken. Market went into this level and retested this and filled up this fair value gap in half an hour, and market went to the upside and tested this level, the Asian zone high, and in market went to the downside. Now market standing here, and what we can expect around 1909 level. Let's see what's happening in daily. And daily we have sort of undecision candle as far as almost 1 hour remaining before the next session, next trading day starts. So it's more likely undecision candle. Let me remove these lines from here. So it's a rejection from the downside and rejection from the top as well. It's an indecision candle. So what we expect going to 3-day situation, 3-day similar situation weekly from rejection candle from the downside as and from the upside as well. Tomorrow is Friday. Don't forget that. So it's indecision candle, but what I'm expecting, maybe market go to this side again, and we can see rejection from here around 1912 level. However, if it goes to the breaks this level, we can expect 1914 level and further to the upside 1916 onwards. As I said, 1918 and 1920 levels. We do trade in step by step. Make sure we check in smaller time frame as well. See, this level has been very nicely respected in 15-minute charts. These are the levels which were I put on yesterday. So on these are smaller levels I just put later on today after the market broke this. So that's it for gold, and let's see what's happening in Dixie. As you can see that Dixie went to the upside and gold went to the downside. Now, what is the further levels in Dixie? As you can see, which seen weekly, there are some levels there. And Dixie has broken this area. At least a wick has broken this level. I'm going to one day we'll see more clearly, and for a hedge, you can see it has broken and it's probably gonna is retesting. And I assume it may not be the bigger retest. It might retest just up to the level and then go to the upside again, which means gold will come down. And we are expecting gold to come down, and that's the situation in gold as it may look this just filling up looks like this fair value of that pair, which it has, and it may go to the upside, or maybe it range for a few hours until in the daytime go to the upside. However, we have to look a lot of things for a good probability trade, for a good trade. For 14th of September, we have for 15th of September, we have we call 1:30 heavy impact and 3 p.m. heavy impact USD news. The rest of the news are low impact or medium impact. At 2:15 is a medium impact USD, and 3 p.m. As well, USD medium impact. We got Euro 10:45 a.m. medium impact, Chinese yen 3 a.m. medium, and 3 p.m. high impact as well. So these are the news in Forex Factory, and let's see briefly what happened in GBP JPY. Remember, I did say that this is a channel, and this is a resistance as well as, and now market rejected from here within the channel and resistance level, and can do this, broke this level here, broke this channel as well, and went all the way to the downside. Now, this is a level as well, as you can see. Going into, if you take smaller lots, and then you have more chance to hold these trades and maybe close 80% or then to the next good level. You have chance to close here or even here when the bullish candle was formed up in 1 hour, or even make sure you be extra careful. You can look at a smaller time frame as well. Maybe you can join the RSI as soon as once the RSI is coming down to 50 level, depending on which strategy you use. Some people use 50, some 40 and 60. So once this level market in 1 hour had made this green, green candle, you could have closed partial and then let the remaining running. This is how you trade. What next? We are having rejection from the level here. The market has slightly went down the level, which is this one. And let's see what's happening in the daily. Let me remove all the lines. If we put a fib level here, you can see that the market very nicely has come to this 61% fib level. Very interestingly. So it is possible we will see rejection from that. If we see a good evidence, that's a daily chart. If we see a good evidence, we can definitely see rejection from this level. However, if not, then we can see the market coming to further than especially this level, as you can see. When this is broken, we can see sharp movement. There's a fair value gap here in 4H as well. And let's see, yeah, in smaller term, 1H as well, the fair value gap. So let's see what market will bring to us, and good day, and you have a good luck. Thank you. Bye-bye.